is Milani, Chapter 15, Section 4, Problem number 6. We need to find the area between x is 1 to x is 4. Now, this kind of the problem, there is a two-way you can work on it. I'm going to show you both way on two different PowerPoint. Now, the first way, by looking at this problem, I have to go by the substitution. I have a quotient rule, the same time chain rule. Then, the inside my chain rule is become my u substitution. And then I have to find the derivative. First side, du is equal, derivative of a 2x is 2, dx, derivative of a 1 is 0. I have to solve for the dx, divide both sides by 2. Remember, we are going to change inside and we change dx. This minus 3, I carry it on, of course, my antiderivative sign. Denominator inside is become u. This exponent 2, I carry it down. dx value is going to be du over 2. Now, by looking at this problem, minus 3 is the numerator, 2 is the denominator, means my coefficient is going to be minus 3 over 2. Numerator is constant, denominator is exponent 2. That means I am not dealing with the natural log. Get rid of the quotient rule, move the u to the exponent 2. As a numerator is become minus 2 as a exponent. Now, let's get the antiderivative. This minus 3 over 2, carry it down. Antiderivative of a u to the exponent minus 1, you will add the 1 to the exponent, means minus 2 plus 1 is become minus 1. Minus 1, it goes as a denominator. Draw your vertical line between 1 to 4. Simplify, because you do not want to just go to the next step until you simplified completely. This minus divided to this minus is become positive. My denominator 2 times 1 is going to be 2. Get rid of this negative exponent, move the u to the exponent minus 1 as a denominator is become positive exponent. As you can see, this is much easier to work than this. Now, the x value is between 1 to 4. That means go replace your u by the u value, which is the 2x plus 1. Now, that is the step number 1, subtraction of an antiderivative. Step 2, replace the x by the higher x value 4. This x, replace it by 4. Now, order of operation, inside, exponent, outside. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 and 9. 9 times 2 is going to be 18. 3 over 18 reduce, which is become 1 over 6. Step number 3. Replace the x by your lower x value, which is 1. Replace this x by 1 and everything else carry it down. Order of operation. 2 times 1 is going to be 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. 3 over 6, which is 1/2. The last step. The higher x value is 1 over 6 minus the lower x value, which is 1/2. Combine these two, 1 over 6 minus 1 over 2 when I subtract it from each other is become a minus 1 over 3. The area cannot be negative number. Have this one inside of the absolute value and then take it out from the absolute value, which is going to be positive 1/3.